Hi guys, here I am with another video, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do an easy and quick hairstyle using the Aunt Jackie's Buttercream Intensive Moisture Sealant, and this is a leave-in conditioner. First, I am going to start by applying water all over my hair, and what I'm going to be using is my Flairsol spray bottle. I want to make sure my hair is a little bit saturated to be able to work with it. Once my hair is a little bit saturated, I am going to go ahead and add the leave-in conditioner with the pray and hand method. I like to use the pray and hand method because it does not disturb my curls and it kind of keeps them intact, just the way I like to have them, because if I do any other method, my curls break and I do not like the look of that. And once I have applied the leave-in conditioner all over my hair, I'm going to go ahead and section my hair. This is the part I am going to braid. The rest I am going to put in a bun. And while I am braiding my hair, I want to talk about a little bit of the leave-in conditioner. Okay guys, this is a unique therapy for chronically dry hair. Blends coconut cream with honey, shea butter, and avocado to moisturize while helping protect and strengthen the ends. Especially beneficial for 2C and 4C hair types. Protective styling and helping to keep hair worn under wigs, weaves, and braids. This oil moisturized mixture helps to treat and guard against split ends. Okay guys, and the way you guys can use this is on dry or damp hair as needed. Can be used daily. Apply a small amount in hand and rub palms together and apply all over hair, especially concentrating on the ends with a wide tooth comb or soft bristle brush. As you guys can see, I am putting more product on the ends of my hair. I am concentrating on that part because that's what tends to be really dry around this time of year. Look, I am very happy about my braid so far. The same thing I did on my left side, I'm going to do on my right side. I am going to part my hair and then put the rest in a bun. While I was braiding the right side of my hair, I realized I wanted to add a little bit more braid. So as you guys can tell, I am adding one braid on each side of my hair. Right here, I am also going to be adding a little bit more water and adding a little bit more of the leave-in conditioner because, like I said, my hair does tend to be a little dry around this time of year. I am also going to grab my spray bottle and apply more water all over my hair. And once I have refreshed my hair, I am going to grab the front two pieces, which are the two braids, and tie them with a little elastic band. Once I tied the braids together, that is the whole look, guys. I am really happy with the results, and I really do love this leave-in conditioner by Aunt Jackie's. It has helped me a lot with my dry ends. And that was all for today, guys. I hope you guys try this look, and I also hope you guys try the Aunt Jackie's Buttercream Intensive Moisture Sealant because I really do like it, and you guys are really going to need it for this dry, cold weather. Bye, guys. Have a great day.